For me, when the first quarter of the year is dry and with clear sky, I'm optimistic that by the second quarter there will be heavy rains. I base my argument with some physics. Heat of vaporization, where latent heat of vaporization is affecting physical change of the water, both terrestrial water masses, through evapotranspiration, which is transpiration of water from the plant, and evaporation from the land. That's why I am preparing my half an acre of land as you can see from this water pan. The water is evaporating, and from these annual weeds, they are drying up due to transpiration. All this water is loosening up, and if you remember water cycle, after this water lays up gradually within the quarter year, it will condense in atmosphere, which now will be the rain during the second quarter of the year. That's why you see I'm preparing this land. In agriculture, we have what we call scarcity and choice economics of production. Now, this mode of this pan, the soil was initially substratum, so I have to blend it with the other soil, which is dark, hence will observe radiated heat. But for this light soil, we reflect most of radiated heat. And as you know, heat energy influence reactions of micronutrient and nutrient. When there is heat, the absorption of nutrient from the roots will be eased. So this water pan will help me in irrigation and this annual weed I will not uproot it to provide soil cover in order to prevent soil erosion. On the other side of water pan, I have also blended it with organic matter of farmyard type. For this part, I'm planning to plant that need adequate drainage, like onions. That's why I blended with organic matter on substratum soil, which was initially underneath in what is called soil profile. So I'm trying to maximize this surrounding of water pan, for I'm optimistic that 2023 year will have adequate rain due to latent heat of evaporation in the first quarter of it.